It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I Rock them sneakers, and I'm back with another video for y'all, man. Listen, your boy just wanted to come up here and update y'all on the Air Jordan 1 Marina Blues, as well as show y'all a video of the Air Jordan 3 Cardinals. I did get to see those in hand. I do have a video that I will play later on in a video for you guys, man. That way y'all can determine whether y'all gonna cop or not. In my opinion, if you want to know if I'm gonna cop, it's definitely a cop in my opinion, you know what I mean? Definitely one of the better threes that we've been getting in the last 2 to 3 years, in my personal opinion. The leather on that thing is buttery, man, and plus I dig the colorway, you know what I'm saying? So it's definitely coming on, so y'all can expect a review for that. I think they do release February 19th, man, so make sure y'all head down to those apps, man. I think Champs, Hibbett Sports got their apps already. I think they're already on those apps, man. Y'all can go put in y'all raffle for them already. But let's go ahead and get into the Air Jordan 1 Marina exclusive access for Finishline right quick. But if this is your first time rocking out with your boy, man, please go ahead and tap that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and also like and share the video, man, so that more people can come over here, you dig what I'm saying, and listen to what I'm telling y'all. Also, y'all can follow me on Instagram at chaotic_kicks. I do post official images of sneakers, as well as the release dates, if they've been pushed back, retail prices and all that I get from Sneaker Files and Z Sneakerhead. I reshare their posts, and your boy keeps the people that follow him up to date on what's going on with these kicks, man. But let's go ahead and get into this video, man. Tomorrow, Finishline and JD Sports will be giving exclusive access to these Air Jordan 1 Marina Blues. If you go down in your status on JD Sports, you should already have exclusive access. I will also run the video of that, man, so that way y'all know exactly what to go look at. But I have exclusive access, and I'm an A-list member, but my wife also have exclusive access, and she's not an A-list member, but she does have it, man. So that's 2 sneakers that I know that I will be copping. I don't think they are doing grade schools for exclusive access, so you might want to check your local JD Sports and Finishline to find out what's going on with that. They may be doing an in-store raffle on those things, man. But as far as I know, I don't know the exact time, but if I had to guess, I would think that they probably would give exclusive access around 9 a.m. in the morning, just like they done with the Racer Blues. So regardless of the fact, man, y'all stay by y'all phone tomorrow around 9 a.m. Eastern time, man, in that time frame, so that way you able to get in and purchase your, well, I'm not gonna say purchase, but at least confirm your guaranteed pair for those 2,000 points that they take from you, man, on Finishline or JD Sports. Also, like I said, I will run the video of the threes in here, man, so y'all can see that right quick. But other than that, man, y'all let me know what y'all think about these Marina ones, as well as those Cardinal 3s. The Marina ones, in my opinion, they're a cop for me only because I don't have the Royals. If I had the Royals, I probably wouldn't be going after this sneaker, but it's definitely a good sneaker I can have for trade bait or whatnot. I could put another sneaker with it to actually get the OG Royals, man, and have those in my collection. So, you know, sometimes you got to do that in order to get a sneaker that you really want. You got to trade them in order to get something that you really want in your collection, man. So With that being said, man, I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. Like, share this video, man, and all that. Subscribe, all that good stuff, man. So until next time, y'all have a blessed day. It's your boy Chaotic Kicks, aka Mr. I. Rock them sneakers, man, and I'm gonna see you guys on the next one. Peace.